If you need to convert a PowerPoint presentation into an MP4 video, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it. Whether you want to share a slideshow more easily, upload it to YouTube, or send it to someone who doesn't have PowerPoint, exporting to MP4 is a simple and professional solution. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Now, let's jump in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and make sure everything is ready to go. Check your slides, animations, transitions, and any audio you may have added, because whatever is in the presentation will be part of the final video. Once you're happy with the file, go to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main menu where all the sharing and export options are located. From the File menu, click Export. This is where PowerPoint lets you save your presentation in different formats, including video. On the export screen, look for the option that says Creates a Video and select it. This is the feature you need to turn your slideshow into an MP4 file. Next, you'll need to choose your video settings. PowerPoint usually gives you a few quality options, and if you want a clear professional result, Full HD is a great choice. Higher quality means a better looking video, especially if you're planning to upload it online or present it on a larger screen. After that, you'll need to set the timing. You can use recorded timings if you already rehearsed your slideshow, or you can choose the default seconds per slide if you want PowerPoint to automatically assign timing for each slide. Take a moment here to make sure the timing matches your presentation style. If your slides need more time, increase the seconds per slide. If you already recorded narration or transitions, use those recorded timings so the final video plays exactly the way you intended. Once your settings are in place, click Create Video. PowerPoint will now start preparing the video version of your presentation. Depending on the size of the file and the number of slides, this may take a little time, so just let it finish processing. When the Save dialog box appears, choose MP4 format if it's not already selected. MP4 is the most widely supported video format, which makes it ideal for sharing across devices, websites, and platforms. Now, choose where you want to save the file, give it a name, and click Save. PowerPoint will begin exporting your presentation into an MP4 video file. When the export is complete, you can open the file and check the playback to make sure everything looks right. And that's it. You've successfully converted PowerPoint to MP4. This is a really useful skill for turning presentations into shareable video content without needing any extra software. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.